Is your Windows 11 or 10 computer plagued by those frustrating missing DLL file errors? Let's get those programs running smoothly again. First, we'll try the simplest fix, verifying your game or application files. If you're encountering the error with a specific program, like a game, open its launcher, such as Steam or the Microsoft Store. Right-click on the problematic game or application, select Properties, and then look for an option like Verify Integrity of Game Files or Repair. This process checks for corrupted or missing files and redownloads them, often resolving the DLL issue. Next, let's ensure your security software isn't accidentally quarantining or deleting essential DLL files. Open your Windows security settings and navigate to Virus and Threat Protection here. Look for Protection History or Quarantine. Browse through the list to see if any DLL files associated with your application have been flagged. If you find one, you can often restore it from quarantine. Just be cautious and sure it's a legitimate file before restoring. Sometimes, a third-party program starting with Windows can conflict with DLL files. To check this, press Windows key R, type sconfig, and press Enter. This opens the System Configuration window. Go to the Services tab and check the box that says Hide All Microsoft Services. Then, click Disable All. Now, go to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. In Task Manager, disable any unnecessary startup programs. Finally, restart your computer to see if the DLL error is gone. Outdated or corrupted drivers can also lead to missing DLL files. Open the Device Manager by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Expand categories like display adapters or sound, video and game controllers. Right-click on your hardware devices and select Update Driver. Then choose Search Automatically for drivers. If Windows finds an update, install it and restart your PC. As a last resort for more persistent issues, we can use the System File Checker tool. Open Command Prompt as an administrator by searching for CMD, right-clicking on Command Prompt, and selecting Run as administrator in the Command Prompt window. Type SFC, Scanno and press Enter. This tool will scan and attempt to repair corrupted Windows system files, including DLLs. Once it's finished, restart your computer. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving those pesky missing DLL file errors and getting your Windows 11 or 10 system back to its optimal performance. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.